He tore down one by one what isn't easy to break. Federer and Nadal, but he stayed strong. When they booed him, he played even harder. When they tried to break him, he rose again. Novak, Djokovic reached every record. Injustice hurts, but the truth shines. A king without a crown, but history remembers his name. They can take points, titles and his voice, but they can't take his perseverance and every one of his aces. They closed borders, shattered his dreams, judged him without a trial, without new truth. But he returned stronger. The day came to show the world who Novak the champion is. Records keep piling up, the years don't stop. Experts now give him good chances. The best in tennis, even the birds know it. Strong will, a heart like a dragon. Australia Open will remember Novak. No matter what, he walks alone. Every racket hit, every victory a plan.